In this spirit of openness, I want to invite Rob Larson back to the podium to announce the next step in our open strategy. This is a world premiere. This has never been said before.
So one of the reasons I used my time up here to take you through that kind of history lesson of indexing and tagging at the Times was hopefully to help you understand how deeply we care about metadata. It's been fundamental to what we do from a long time. And we feel we're pretty good at it, but of course our content is an island right now. And the semantic web seems to be taking shape. Evan and I are happy to announce today that we want to prepare our corpus for the semantic web. We want to announce our intention to publish our thesaurus to the community under a license that will allow you to use it and contribute your improvements back to the community. The results of this effort will, in time, take the shape of the Times entering this linked data cloud. This is wholly consistent with our open strategy. The open strategy is spearheaded by my boss, Mark Franz, our CTO, and the strategy is to facilitate access to slices of our data for those who want to include it in their applications. As you saw from the demos, there's obviously something in it for the community if you use our APIs, but there's something in it for us as well. All of those streams of data that come out link back to the Times, and to drive our business forward, we need to continue to grow traffic on nytimes.com. Our Times Tags API, which Evan also mentioned, already makes available our most frequently used tags, the 27,000 or so that power our Times Topics pages. But our intention here is to go well beyond that, to hundreds of thousands of tags back to 1980, and later, in a second phase, hundreds of thousands of more that go back to 1851. We're hoping that by putting the thesaurus out there, that the community will link it to existing taxonomies. When we release the tags for the deep archive, we hope the community will assist in normalizing the tags. As I mentioned, there's a lot of work to be done there. Many, many details need to be ironed out. I'm up here today to announce our intentions to do this, but we're still figuring out format, where we're going to post it, the timing, and even the license. So it's still very formative. But our commitment is there. So stay tuned. When the first installment is released, we'll blog about it. You can look at the blog that's on open.nytimes.com. The New York Times corpus, in closing, is a vast quarry of information. The APIs being released as a part of the Open Initiative are like the picks and shovels. You'll need to mine it. By releasing the thesaurus, we believe that we'll be providing the map to home in on the treasures within. Thank you.